and welcome back to Emily Teaching English, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. I'm Mark. How are you today, Emily?
I am good, thank you. But yesterday was very busy. I walked in the park, cooked dinner, and called my mom. And you, Mark?
I am fine, but yesterday was not a good day for me. I woke up late and missed my bus.
Oh no, that is a bad start to the day.
Yes, a very bad start, but the rest of the day was okay.
Mark, did you hear what we just did?
What do you mean?
We talked about yesterday, and we changed our verbs. I said walked, cooked, called. You said woke up and missed.
Oh, those are past tense verbs.
Exactly. And that is our topic today. How to talk about yesterday in English.
Ooh, past tense. I really need this. But first, we have a small request.
Yes. If you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Emily Teaching English.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much. We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. When we talk about today, about now, we use the present tense. For example, I walk to work. I cook dinner. I watch TV.
Yes, we practiced those in our daily routine episode, right?
Right. But when we talk about yesterday, or last night, or last week, the verbs change. This is the past tense.
The verbs change. How do they change?
For many verbs, it is very easy. We just add 2 letters to the end. ed.
ED. That is it?
That is it. Walk becomes walked. WALKED. Walked.
Walked. I walked to the bus stop yesterday.
Perfect example. Cook becomes cooked.
Let me try. I cooked pasta last night.
Great. Clean becomes cleaned.
I cleaned my room yesterday. Well, a little bit.
A little bit is better than nothing. Watch becomes watched.
I watched a movie last night.
Play becomes played.
I played a game on my phone.
Listen becomes listened.
I listened to Emily Teaching English.
Very good, Mark. See the pattern? Walk, walked, cook, cooked, clean, cleaned, watch, watched, play, played, listen, listened. Just add ed.
Just add ed. I like this rule. Very simple.
One more small thing. Some verbs end in the letter E, like the verb like, L-I-K-E. It already has an E at the end, so we only add D, not ed, just D. Like becomes liked.
Because it already has the E. That makes sense.
Live becomes lived. Use becomes used.
I liked the coffee this morning. I lived in a small town before.
Excellent sentences. These verbs with ed are called regular verbs. They follow the rule.
Regular verbs. They follow the rule. Easy.
And most verbs in English are regular, so this rule will help you a lot.
Most verbs are regular. That is good news.
Yes, but not all verbs follow the rule.
Oh, no.
Some verbs are different. They change in a special way. We call them irregular verbs.
Irregular. That means they don't follow the regular pattern.
That's right. They are different, and you just have to learn them. I'll give you the most important ones. Ready?
I'm ready.
The verb go. Every day I go to work, but yesterday...
Go. Went.
Yes, the past of go is went. W-E-N-T. Went.
Went. That is completely different from go.
Yes, I go to work every day, but yesterday I went to the park. Went.
Went. Okay, what is the next one?
Eat. Every day I eat breakfast, but yesterday...
Eat, ate?
Yes, you've got it. Ate. A-T-E. Ate. Yesterday I ate breakfast at 8.
Perfect. Now, have. I have a meeting every Monday, but last Monday...
Had becomes had. H-A-D. Had.
Had. I had a meeting last Monday. Good. Make. I make coffee every morning, but yesterday morning...
Made. That's right. M-A-D-E. Made.
I made coffee yesterday morning. Take. I take the bus to work, but yesterday...
Took. T-O-O-K. Took.
I took the bus to work yesterday. Get. I get home at 6, but yesterday...
Got. You got it.
I got home at 6. That was a fast one. Wake. I wake up at 7, but yesterday...
Woke. W-O-K-E. Woke.
I guessed it. Yesterday, I woke up at 9. And the last one, sleep. I sleep 8 hours, but last night...
Slept. S-L-E-P-T. Slept.
I slept 8 hours last night. Okay, irregular verbs. Go, went, eat, ate, have, had, make, made, take, took, get, got, wake, woke, sleep, slept. 8 verbs. That is a lot to remember.
It is, but the best way to remember is to use them. Say them in sentences. Tell stories about your day.
Tell stories. That is why our topic is Talk About Yesterday.
Exactly. But first, one more important thing. What if you want to say something did not happen?
Like something that didn't happen?
Yes, we use didn't. Didn't is the short form of did not, and the verb stays in the base form. I didn't go, not I didn't went.
Same rule, the base form after didn't.
Exactly. I didn't eat breakfast. She didn't sleep well. We didn't watch TV last night.
Let me try. I didn't cook dinner yesterday. Good. I didn't come to the party.
Excellent. Now you can say what happened and what didn't happen. A complete story.
What I did and what I didn't do. I like that.
Now let me teach you some time words for the past. These words tell us we're talking about before, not now.
Okay, what words?
The first one is yesterday. That is the day before today.
Yesterday. Easy.
Last night, last week, last weekend, last Monday. We add last before the time word.
Yes, for many of them. And there's one more.
Ago. Ago means before now. 2 days ago, 3 weeks ago, a long time ago.
A long time ago, like the start of a story.
When you hear these time words, you know, use past tense. Can you make a sentence with a time word?
Yesterday, I walked to work.
Good. One more.
Last weekend, I visited my friend.
Visited. Regular. Visit. Visited. And you used last weekend. Very good.
2 days ago, I watched a long movie.
Perfect. You used a go and a regular verb. Now I am ready to tell you a story. Listen carefully and count the past tense verbs.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yesterday, I woke up at 6:30. I got out of bed and went to the kitchen. I made coffee and ate toast with eggs. After breakfast, I walked to work. I worked all morning. At 12:30, I had lunch at a small cafe. I ate a salad. After work, I came home and cooked soup for dinner. Then I called my mom. We talked for 30 minutes. Before bed, I read a book. I went to bed at 10 and slept very well.
Wow, that was a lot of past tense. I heard so many verbs.
Can you name the regular ones? The ones with ED?
Walked, worked, cooked, called, talked. They all end in ed.
And the irregular ones?
Woke, got, went, made, ate, had, came, slept. You heard every one.
Wait, you also said read, R-E-A-D, but that looks the same as the present.
Good question. The spelling is the same, but the sound is different. In the present, read sounds like read. In the past, read sounds like read.
Same spelling, different sound. English is very funny sometimes.
It is, but you're doing great, Mark. Now, I want you to ask me some questions about my yesterday.
Okay. Did you enjoy your walk in the park?
Yes, I did. I walked for 30 minutes. The weather was beautiful.
What kind of soup did you cook?
I made vegetable soup. It was delicious.
And you called your mom. What did you talk about?
We talked about the weekend. She told me about her garden.
Told. That's the past of tell.
Yes, T-O-L-D, told. You're catching new verbs everywhere now.
I am a past tense detective. Now it's my turn. Can I tell you about my yesterday?
Yes, please tell me your story.
Okay. Yesterday, I woke up late, very late. I snoozed my alarm 5 times.
Snoozed. That's a regular verb. Snooze, snoozed. Good.
I snoozed 5 times. Then I jumped out of bed very fast. I brushed my teeth. I didn't eat breakfast. No time.
Oh no, poor Mark. Then what?
I walked to the bus stop, but the bus was gone. I missed the bus.
Missed. Regular. Miss, missed.
So I take a taxi. Wait, no.
Almost. Take is irregular. The past of take is...
Oh, took. I took a taxi.
You got it.
I took a taxi to work. I arrived at 9:15, a little late. My boss looked at me. He was not happy.
What did you say?
I said, "Sorry, I missed the bus." He smiled and said, "No problem." I was very lucky.
Arrived and looked, regular. Smiled, also regular. And said is irregular. S-A-I-D. Said, the past of say.
After work, I went to the supermarket. I bought vegetables and rice.
Yes, buy becomes bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Bought. That is a hard one.
Bought. Okay, I bought rice and vegetables. Then I went home and tried to cook dinner.
Tried. How did it go?
Not well. I burned the rice. It was black.
Oh no. Burned. That is regular. Burn, burned.
I burned the rice. So I ordered pizza. I ate pizza on the sofa and watched a movie.
What movie?
A comedy. I laughed a lot. Then I brushed my teeth and went to bed.
Did you sleep well?
I slept okay, but I dreamed about the bus. I dreamed I missed it again.
Dreamed. Regular. Dream. Dreamed. That is very funny, Mark.
It was not funny at the time.
Mark, you used so many past tense verbs in your story. Regular ones like snoozed, walked, missed, burned, ordered, and irregular ones like woke, took, went, bought, slept.
I told my whole day in past tense, every part.
You did. I'm so proud of you. And next time, you will not burn the rice.
I hope not. Now, let's do a quick quiz. I will say a sentence about yesterday, but the verb is missing. You tell me the past tense form. Ready?
Ready.
Number 1. Yesterday, I to the park. The verb is go.
Went. Yesterday I went to the park.
Correct. Number 2. Last night she delicious dinner. The verb is cook.
Cooked. Last night she cooked a delicious dinner.
Number 3. This morning he breakfast at 7. The verb is eat.
Ate. He ate breakfast at 7 this morning.
Number 4. Last weekend they blank a movie. The verb is watch.
Watched. They watched a movie last weekend.
Very fast. You did not even think about it.
I am getting good at this.
Number 5. 2 days ago I blank a new book. The verb is buy.
Bought. 2 days ago I bought a new book.
Number 6. Yesterday she blank to music on the bus. The verb is listen.
Listened. She listened to music on the bus yesterday.
Number 7. Last night we blank sleep well. We need did not.
Didn't. We didn't sleep well last night.
7 out of 7. Perfect score.
Yes, I love quizzes.
Everyone listening, try this at home. Think about your yesterday. Start simple. I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went to work. Even 3 sentences is great practice.
Then try 5 sentences, then 10. Every day your story gets longer and better.
You can also practice with a friend. Ask, what did you do yesterday? And tell your stories.
That is a wonderful idea. Regular verbs get ed and irregular verbs change in a special way. You practiced the most important ones today.
Practice makes perfect.
Or practice made perfect. Wait, that's past tense.
Practice makes perfect, that is always true, so we use present tense.
Ah, right. Always true. Present tense. See? I'm learning.
Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned today. We talked about past tense, how to talk about yesterday.
Yes, for regular verbs, we add ed. Walk, walked. Cook, cooked. Clean, cleaned.
Good. And irregular verbs change in a special way. Go, went. Eat, ate. Have, had. Make, made. Take, took. Wake, woke. Sleep, slept.
And for negative sentences, we use didn't plus the base form. I didn't go. She didn't eat.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Emily Teaching English.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Emily Teaching English.
Give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us, what did you do yesterday? Try to use past tense in your answer.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.